Welcome to the Mind Shelf. Life has a way of bringing us to our knees. A lost job, a broken heart, a failed dream. We find ourselves at square one, and it can feel like the end. But what if it's not? What if square one is the most powerful place you can be? Starting over is not a sign of failure. It is a rare and sacred opportunity to rebuild your life consciously from the ground up. It's a chance to let go of what wasn't working and build something that does. Today, we're sharing 60 lessons to guide you through that process, not just to start over, but to start over stronger than ever before. After each lesson, there will be a 5-second pause. This is a moment for you to breathe, to heal, and to gather your strength. Your new beginning starts now.
Your past is a lesson, not a life sentence. Learn from it and release it. You must mourn what was before you can fully embrace what will be. Give yourself permission to grieve. Forgiveness is not for them. It is the act of cutting your own anchor to a painful past. Not everything is meant to be understood. Accept the mystery and let it go. What you resist persists. Stop fighting reality and start working with it. You cannot start the next chapter of your life if you keep rereading the last one. The person you were did the best they could with the knowledge they had. Forgive them. Some goodbyes are a gift. They make room for a better hello. Let go of the life you had planned so you can accept the one that is waiting for you. The universe did not bring you this far just to leave you here. Trust the process. Spend time alone. Solitude is where you will hear your own voice again. Reconnect with what you loved to do as a child before the world told you who you should be. Your identity is not your job, your relationship, or your accomplishments. It is who you are at your core. Ask yourself not what you want to have, but who you want to become. Make a list of your non-negotiable values. Let them be the compass for your new life. Get curious. Try new things with the expectation of learning, not succeeding. Your intuition is your most honest advisor. Start listening to it. Write your own definition of a successful life. Pay attention to what makes you feel energized versus what makes you feel drained. Follow the energy. You are not starting from scratch. You are starting from experience. Create a simple morning routine. It is your anchor in the chaos of change. Move your body every day. Physical movement is essential for processing emotional pain. Declutter your physical space. It will create clarity in your mental space. Start a journal. Write down your thoughts, your fears, and your hopes. Build one small positive habit that you can stick to no matter what. Learn to cook a new healthy meal. Nourishing your body is an act of self-respect. Limit your exposure to negativity, whether it's the news or pessimistic people. Read books that inspire you and challenge you. Practice doing one thing at a time. Reclaim your focus from a distracted world. Make your bed every morning. It is a small act of order that starts a positive chain reaction.
Learn to say no without guilt. Your new life requires you to protect your energy. Raise your standards for who gets access to your time and heart. Stop explaining yourself. You do not owe anyone an explanation for your choices. A boundary is not to punish others. It is to protect your own peace. Pay attention to how people react when you set a boundary. It tells you everything. The people who belong in your new life will respect your new standards. Let go of the need for everyone to like you. Trust actions, not words. Build your new circle on a foundation of reliability. Do not allow the opinions of others to become your reality. You teach people how to treat you. Start teaching a new lesson. Stop waiting to feel ready. You build readiness through action. Your next chapter is going to be amazing because you are writing it with the wisdom of your past. Choose optimism. It is a strategic advantage. Set one small, exciting goal that has nothing to do with your past. Embrace the identity of a learner. Be open. Be curious. Be a beginner. Celebrate small wins. They are the fuel for your journey forward. Let your hope, not your hurt, shape your future. Understand that you can be both a work in progress and a masterpiece simultaneously.
Focus on building, not just healing. The best is yet to come. Believe it. This too shall pass. This is true for pain and for joy. You are more resilient than you know. You have already survived so much. Comparison is the thief of joy. Run your own race at your own pace. Your story is your power. Own it. Kindness to yourself and others is never wasted. You cannot control the wind, but you can adjust your sails. What is meant for you will not pass you by. Gratitude turns what you have into enough. Your life is your message to the world. Make sure it's inspiring.
You are the hero of your own story. Start acting like it. The beautiful thing about a blank slate is that you get to be the artist. You hold the pen. The past does not get to write this next chapter. You do. Do not rush this process. Be patient with yourself. Be compassionate with your healing. Choose one lesson from this list that gives you the most strength today and hold on to it like a compass. Let it guide your next small step. That is all that is required. Thank you for having the courage to begin again with us at the Mind Shelf. If this video gave you hope, please like the video and subscribe for more guidance on your journey. The link is in the description. In the comments below, share one thing you are looking forward to in your new chapter. Until next time, be proud of the strength it takes to start anew.